Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT Sanitization Robot. So in this project, we developed the same model which we developed previously with Raspberry Pi 0W, but now due to unavailability of that, so we developed the project with ESP32 camera. So only this ESP32 camera can control the robot directions forward, backward, left, right, as well as sanitization on and off, UV light on and off with help of this two relay board. So the remaining working and the modules all are same, like we are using the 12 volt 2 amp battery connector, which has the 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series, and here also 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series. So we will get 12 volt 2 amps. So directly that's the main output, and which is a rechargeable battery. So if you want to charge a battery, just we need to connect this charger to the battery. So here I wrote T to the T, and there you wrote the B, and there you wrote the B. So connect the B to the B. So then you can switch on the charger. So then there is a light indication on this charger. So it will showing the status of the charging. It will take at least 8 to 10 hours for charging. So once the time is complete, you can disconnect the power supply to the charger, and you can disconnect the battery from the charger. And this one is the main on off switch, so you should remember that. So off, on, off. So the battery power supply will be given to the ESP32 camera and sanitization system fog disinfector through the buck converter. So here we are using regulator, nothing but there is 2576 regulating board, so which will provide the 5 volts output by taking input of 12 volts 2 amps power supply, and that will provide the power supply to the ESP32 camera and to the relay board along with sanitization. And in order to control the two DC motors, we are making use of this L293D board, so which was interfaced to the two DC motors of this robot, and that L293 motor driver interfaced at the ESP32 camera. Pin numbers are directly 2, 16, 14, 15 pins, and 4 and second pin is for our sanitization and UV light disinfector electromagnetic relays, and this one is the inverter. So as our UV light need 230 volts input from this choke, so choke need 230 volts input. So for that we need to convert the 12 volts AC to 230 volts 12 volts DC to 230 volts AC with help of this inverter. So that will be controlled through the same electromagnetic relay. So before switching on the kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So for that, just go to hotspot settings of your phone, change the hotspot name to project 5089 without any space and without any capital letter. That's very very important. So if you miss any character, if you add any extra character, the system will not respond to you, right? And done, enable the hotspot. Okay, and after that, then only you can switch on the kit. So then and there the system will connect to you. You can see the ESP module will be connected here, right? So in some mobile phones, it will show the IP address directly. So 192.168.43.169. If it didn't show that, install this network analyzer and then go to options, do LAN scan. There you will get the IP address of our Express. So 192.168.43.169, and then go to the Chrome. Here directly enter the particular IP address directly. That's it. No need of any COM number. So there we get the controlling module, right? Right, I say backward, forward. So let us see the output on the floor. Right. So for fog switch on, so there is one headlight also will get switched on because it's parallelly connected to the fog disinfection. Right, UV light on, UV light off. So let us see on the floor. Right. So just hold the switch directly. So continuously hold the switch. So not like one tap, continuously hold the switch. Right. Thank you.